प्रगतिशीलता ही मानवता की कसौटी है. I learned that statement in ninth standard. Hello all and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajendra. Today I'm gonna address one interesting topic, that is development. What is development and how to do the development? Well, many people think that how should I develop myself, from which state should I start to develop my personality, and what are the areas where I can work so that I can develop my personality. But if you are in this scenario, then this video is for you. I always believe on the problems which arises in our life. So it is always depend how you deal with the problem which arises in your daily life or in your professional life, because problem is completely associated with your development. Problem always arises in your life to accelerate your life or to bring the best version of your life than the present version. So the development is associated with the problem. So always try to take the challenges or the problem or try to solve those problem. Only two results are going to happen when you face the problem. One is you will get a success in that problem and you will successfully solve that problem. And another scenario, that you will get disappointment in that problem. But remember, both scenario will help you to find out the areas where you are doing great and the areas where you need to work in order to develop your personality. Let's say, for example, if you take one challenge or some problem, and when you become successful to solve that problem, then you will get to know that what are your traits, what are your strengths, what are your opportunities, and how you use that opportunity. And that's how you can go ahead with those skills, and you can assume that you have enough skills to achieve success in your future as well. If you got disappointment, then it will help you to explore the areas where you're lagging, or the skills which are absent in you, and that is the time to develop those skills. And once you explore those areas, then you can start to develop those abilities and the skills. And once you acquire those skills, then you can solve that problem, and that's the development of your personality. So always try to take the challenges or the try to face the problem. Those problem uh, didn't arise to make obstacle or to stop your life, but it arise in order to accelerate your life and your development. So always believe, if you face more problem in your life and you become successful to face those problem and solve those problem, then it is going to enhance and develop your personality. So thank you very much and stay tuned with my channel. I'll get back to you with another video. Thank you very much.